Today is the day of transition from fair weather to a week of active weather. That's what we're looking forward to. Only the western portion of Central Mountains has a chance in higher elevations, 8,000 or 9,000 feet and above, of receiving some snowfall as temperatures get colder. And the clouds, I was going to say snakes will invade, but clouds will begin to invade more so as the day goes on. So we're looking at mostly cloudy skies. A little bit less cloud covers for the Teton area, but in overnight hours, mostly cloudy. Will be mostly cloudy or overcast for the next few days. Winds remaining very light to a light breeze, very calm for the Snake River Plain, 5 to 10 miles per hour. That's what we're expecting today and overnight. Today's highs just a couple degrees warmer than yesterday due to that flow getting a little bit coming from a little bit of a warmer place. Instead of Canada, it's starting to come from the Pacific here. Snake River Plain highs, low 50s, upper 40s. Highs for the Central Mountains, low 50s, upper 40s as well. For the Eastern Highlands, more highs are in the 40s, with Yellowstone having a high of 37 degrees, a refrigerator temperature. Tonight for the Snake River Plain, that high pressure that has been influencing us continues to flatten and continues to track eastward, allowing low pressure. So stand by for tomorrow morning. Temperatures all below freezing except for Pocatello, American Falls, just flirting with the freezing point right there. Tonight for the Central Mountains, lows will be below freezing. 30, 30, 30. Chalice, Mackay, and Salmon. The rest in the 20s. Tonight for the Eastern Highlands, mostly cloudy. Temperatures 20s, all below freezing here. Yellowstone 21. Now Thursday morning, tomorrow morning, Snake River Plain, here are your highs for tomorrow. Tomorrow morning marks the beginning of arrival of any precipitation, but it is going to be for the high elevations, such as the Central Mountains, maybe the Eastern Highlands. Now, from Thursday into Friday, possibility of receiving 1 to 3 inches of snow at those levels, at that freezing level and above, at that altitude and above. Tomorrow's highs for the Eastern Highlands, 51 for Afton. We got a couple 30s, a few 30s here and a couple 40s. Now for the Southeast Idaho Chevy dealer 7-day forecast. Pocatello, 2 degrees warmer today compared to yesterday's high, 54. We'll have very strong gusty winds for most of our eastern Idaho region on Friday, looking at gusts up to 35 miles per hour. That day's going to be windy. So for the upper Snake River Plain next few days, we're looking at just a very slight chance of some light rain each morning, starting Thursday morning. But again, that's going to be like 25% chance. It's going to be very, very low chance. But for the higher elevations, starting with high altitudes, we're going to look at some snowfall. Thursday into Friday, some snowfall can be 1 to 3 inches. For the Tetons, up to 1 inch. And then for the next week here, we're going to have strong influence of low pressure, and we're going to receive a system about every other day. We're going to have a straight flow from west to east, no up and down type motion. So what that means is fast moving type low pressure systems moving through the area, dropping some precipitation on us. Back to you, Deanne.